life, when we say fighting, we don't mean going to meet a friend and you box in the face. We don't also mean going to rob. It means the struggle you are in. It's a fight already. All human beings were born soldiers. What is called soldiers are just illusions. You can prepare yourself to be stronger than a soldier, both physically and mentally. Life is very complicated. Nothing is free. And as long as there is law, as long as there is heart, there will never be a silver plate, although there may be some silver lines. If you don't fight for what you want, never ever try to cry if you lose it. If you don't give the shot deserved for what you want, don't cry when it is gone. Don't. Because you do not show the zeal that you really want it in your life. Always try to fight for what you want. Then you will also have a reason to cry if you lose it. The ball is in all our courts. We are all been laced by the power of discretion. And we need to struggle and compete. That's the game we're in. Thank you.